Here are the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing. According to ClickBank, right here, the 10 best affiliate marketing traffic courses in 2025. This is just new, May 5th. We are on May 8th. And this is a powerful information from ClickBank, my favorite affiliate network. And I'm always showing you how to make money with ClickBank, how to make money with affiliate marketing and ClickBank affiliate marketing and all this. So this is a great article right here that you can find on their blog post, on their blog, sorry. And they talk about free versus paid traffic, right? But these are the top 5 ClickBank traffic sources. You can read this article if you want. I put the link on the description right below. But these are the top 5 overall. And then after these top 5, they talk about 5 other top traffic sources, and they include free and paid and all that. So these are overall, okay? Or drum roll, please, drum roll. These are the top 5 ClickBank traffic sources. Number 1, Facebook ads. This is what I preach all the time in this channel, this YouTube channel, Remotable. Facebook ads is the best traffic source, especially for ClickBank. And this is proven, this is information that they get, okay? And ClickBank is a huge affiliate network. It's one of the oldest ones I know. I believe it's the oldest affiliate network there is, I believe, but it's the oldest one. I believe it's the oldest one. Also, number 2, email, which in this channel, that's what I've been talking about a lot lately, doing Facebook ads and email, especially with ClickBank. This is powerful, okay? This is brand new, okay? You can see that I've been posting about this a lot lately in this channel, way before this article was live. So as you can see, I know what I'm talking about, right? And now this article proves that this is statistics that ClickBank gets from their offers and from their affiliates. And they see all the traffic sources, right? What is getting the most conversions and all that. So the highest converting one, the one that makes the most money, the most profitable, and the one that gets the most profitable and the highest converting one is Facebook ads, and then email. Email, it doesn't have as much, the conversions are not so high, but who cares? Email, you do it pretty much for free. You just pay a small monthly fee for the email autoresponder, and you can send them emails every day. So it doesn't matter if the conversion rate is not as high, because that's supplemental income, money that you make pretty much for free. You don't have to pay for ads, for email and all that. And that's extra on top of the affiliate sales that you get up front with the Facebook ads. So in this channel right here, you can click somewhere on this card or in the description of this video where I go more in depth on this training on this strategy using Facebook ads and also email marketing. Very, very powerful. And then also have a more advanced community. I don't have it, but I'm a member of a community. It's great training, great community, live coaching and everything is amazing, where they teach you how to specialize on Facebook ads and email marketing in the best niches on ClickBank. So I have also several YouTube videos where I show you more about this. And also number 3, native ads. I talk about native ads a little bit in some of my latest videos reacting to a video. Native ads is a good traffic source. I've tried it in the past, but as you can see, Facebook ads is way better, right? Way higher conversions and higher EPCs. And then YouTube ads is great too. I'm about to start YouTube ads. Is funny because I'm about to start a YouTube ads campaign as well. And then organic number 5. And yeah, you can see the traffic breakdowns here on the organic, free affiliate traffic sources, social media, SEO, email marketing, video marketing, guest posting, paid affiliate traffic sources, PPC advertising platforms, Google Ads and Bing Ads, display advertising, native advertising, can be powerful if you know how to do it. Facebook ads, it's powerful right here, Facebook ads, and Pinterest ads. Can be Pinterest ads can be very powerful when you mix organic and paid ads with Pinterest. It can be very powerful because Pinterest gets a lot of organic traffic as a search engine as well, a lot of buyers on Pinterest. So if you can mix the organic plus Pinterest ads, is amazing. That's what I do with Facebook too. Okay, with Facebook, I don't just straight out just do Facebook ads. I do organic posts too, and also paid ads. And I boost some posts, and it gets a lot of traction, a lot of comments. I'm getting some of the posts as well. But yeah, matching your traffic to your niche, and you have to choose the right traffic source for your niche selection, affiliate offers, landing pages, conversion rate. So it is a great article, and I talk more about this on the video right here that you can see on this channel, on the card and the end of this video on the end screen. But yeah, to learn more about Facebook ads and email marketing, just go to that video I'm talking to you about. It's right here somewhere on the card, and then also the community. Very, very powerful, and more videos coming up. Okay, so like this video, subscribe to this channel, because I talk everything about ClickBank affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, email marketing, all kinds of things to live the remote life, so you can live wherever you want. Talk to you soon now, or talk to you now, talk to you soon, talk to you shortly, talk to you soon now too. It can be good like that too. Yeah, why not? Talk to you soon now. That's the new motto of Remotable. Talk to you soon now.